Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to uninstall Java from Windows 10 and 11. For this, we need to follow a small process. Let's search cmd, open command prompt, okay, then maximize it and type Java version -- version and enter. Whichever Java versions was installed, that version details is coming up over the terminal. To uninstall this, search control panel, open it. Yeah, open. So here we observed the small icons are there. So go to the view by, click on the drop down icon and select category. And here we can see that programs uninstall a program. Open that. Whatever softwares were installed, all the details are popped up. They are arranged as ascending and descending orders by name. Search for Java. Yeah, select that and go to the uninstall tab button. Click on there. Yeah, the uninstallation program already started. Just click on yes and it's going to start, and it will take few seconds. Okay, 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, done. So here Java disappear. Once again, get back to command prompt and search Java version. Enter. Java is not recognized. You can see on the terminal. Okay, thank you guys.